Hello viewers, today is our topic about image element. So let's get in. Drag the image element to the page. Let me duplicate the column. Now you can see the image. So select the image and now you can see the choose option for the image. You can choose it uh, from your media library or you can choose it by a dynamic element. Okay, so here I am choosing an image. You can also upload it upload your file here by clicking this select file option, or you can insert your image URL here. Okay, so I am selecting my I already upload my image to media library. So select the option, select the image, sorry, and now you can see the image. Other option like alt text, title of the image, and caption of the image, description. Basically we use these title and captions and description uh, for the SEO purposes. Okay, so insert this image into image element. Now you can see the image we just selected. Here is the option for the image size, like I'm selecting it a thumbnail, a medium or a large, okay, or a full image. Here we can also add a custom width and height for the image, like 100 by 100, and then click on apply. You can see it. We can add a custom image size to it. We can also align it like left, center, and right. Here is the caption option for the image, the attachment caption. Like before I say you, it is the default option for the image. Like here you can see if we write here a caption for this image, so it will automatically adopt it by clicking this option. Okay, or we want to a custom caption for it. Okay, here you can see the option. Also you can see the dynamic option for this custom caption option. So this is basically for the SEO purposes. Elementor is very good and SEO for the SEO websites or this kind of stuff, you know. So here is the link option. So here is the two option in the link, the media file or a custom URL. So first of all, we know the media file. I'm selecting the media file option. So here you can see the light box and what it is, how it works, the light box. So by default it do nothing. When I click on yes, you can see when someone click on the image, it will go up like this. Okay, and here is the no option, like no light box. Okay, this is the link option one. So I am going to the custom URL. Okay, you can uh, edit uh, edit a link to this image. And here also a dynamic option for the uh, this image link. Um, Here is the open a new window option for the link, and the add no follow option for the link, and the custom attribute. Custom attribute is basically, I told you before that it is work for the downloaded purposes or other thing like you can see it. These are the attributes like download, the value of download, the file name, and the description. You can understand it. That the attribute how it works. So that the target will be downloaded when a user click on the hyperlink. Okay, that specifies that when a user click on the this image and it have a file, we link it here. Okay, so it will download it when somebody click on it, it will download it. If we add here a download attribute here, okay, so it will download it. And how the value work, like you can separate it by a pipe, and when a user download it, the name of the file will be this one, my file. F-I-L-E. Okay, this will be the file name. So I'm going to change it to the full size. Okay, so let's go to the style option. In the style option, you can adjust the width of the image. Okay, and the width, you can adjust the width in the pixel and pixel and VW options. It's great for the the large screens or the small screens. Max width, here is also the options, pixels, VW options, and the height option is also here. You can see it. Okay, here is the option like object fit, fill, cover, and contain. Okay, it will this option will work when we change the height of this image. Okay, so here is the normal option and the hover option also. The opacity, we can change its opacity. Okay, and on the hover we can change it like you can see it, the effect I apply. Here is also the CSS filters for the image. Okay, so I am applying like you can see the black and white, and also here we can add it on a hover. So when someone hover on it, we can see the actual color will appear. And so if we You can see the transition duration. That is basically for the image or transition, that how it will appear, the effect. If somebody hover on it, it will take a time, and this is the time for that option. Okay. Hover animation, when somebody hover on it, it will, you can see it, the blink. Okay. So in the hover is, here is the border type. Also you can add a radius, you can see. Also you can add the box shadow to it, vertically, horizontally, blur, spread. Okay. And we can also change the shadow color, okay. And then we go to the advanced options. It is the same for the all, the elements. Yeah, I told you in the last video. Okay. It is the same for the every element and the Elementor. Okay. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos.